One of the biggest reasons that I do personal development workshops is to help people reflect on their dreams and create a sustainable strategy to reach those dreams. I feel that you need to be consistent with your dreams as well as with your work and other things in your life. And taking the time to meditate and reflect on those dreams is essential. That's why we are hosting regular workshops where we can create dashboards to see if you're on track with your business cycles, your goal setting, your 5-year plans, planning arrows. And I've created this channel so that we can help you pursue those dreams together and hopefully celebrate it as well. And we look forward to connecting with you again for the personal development workshops. And check out this channel for some new content that's going to be coming soon. And I look forward to engaging with you. I'm Aje Pelser, let me be your coach. And your personal development workshop is coming soon.